Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about insulin resistance, a health concern that's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's when your cells don't respond well to insulin, the hormone that helps your body use glucose for energy. When your body can't use insulin properly, it can lead to high blood sugar, weight gain, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. So let's break down the top tips to reverse insulin resistance. First things first, let's talk about food. The food we eat plays a huge role in managing insulin resistance. Limit your intake of refined carbs and sugary treats like white bread, pastries, and sodas. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are digested more slowly, preventing drastic fluctuations in blood sugar. Fiber is your best friend. It slows down digestion, keeping your blood sugar steady. You can find fiber in beans, lentils, whole grains, and fruits and veggies. Start by making small, sustainable changes, like swapping out white rice for brown rice or adding berries to your breakfast. Every little bit counts. Next up, let's talk about exercise. Getting your body moving is one of the most effective ways to improve insulin sensitivity. When you exercise, your muscles become more efficient at using glucose for fuel. You don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. Find activities you enjoy, and make them a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Don't forget about strength training. It enhances your body's ability to use insulin effectively. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Number 3, sleep, the secret weapon. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy insulin sensitivity. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which can increase insulin resistance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Improve your sleep hygiene by establishing a regular sleep-wake cycle and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for optimal health. Number 4, stress less, mind over matter. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our insulin sensitivity. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, which can interfere with insulin's ability to do its job. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and spending time in nature can reduce stress levels. Even just a few minutes of dedicated stress management can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Managing stress is about finding healthy ways to cope with life's challenges. Number 5, supplements and medications, working with your doctor. While lifestyle changes are the cornerstone of reversing insulin resistance, certain supplements and medications can provide additional support. For example, magnesium has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity in some studies. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements, as they can interact with certain medications. In some cases, your doctor may recommend medications to help manage insulin resistance. These medications work in different ways to improve insulin sensitivity or help your body produce more insulin. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment for your individual needs. So there you have it. We've covered the top tips to reverse insulin resistance, making dietary changes, incorporating regular exercise, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and discussing supplements and medications with your doctor. Remember, these lifestyle changes not only address insulin resistance but also contribute to your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to live your healthiest life. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.